Hey everyone, welcome back. So join me today as I turn this pot from this to this almost brand new looking. So join me today. So I personally like to have a clean sink area. I like to put things back and put things where they stay. It just kind of gets me focused and ready to what it is that I'm about to tackle near the sink. So these pots have been there for some time and I just genuinely hate it when they turn brown at the bottom. But I've not been feeling well for a couple of weeks now, so today's the day I decided I'm going to tackle it with my favorite pink stuff and turn these pots from looking horribly brown at the bottom. Using my metal scourer and the pink stuff. It's absolutely my favorite and best combination to get your pots looking almost brand new. Okay, I'm just going to give it a quick rinse. That's all that's come out. It's looking a lot better than what it did at the start, sorry. I'm going to repeat the process again. I just hate it when my pots, the ends of my pots look like that, so on to the next pot. It looks a lot better already, doesn't it? So this is the frying pan and I'm mainly going to focus around the silver edges around there because they're really brown and I don't like that. So we're focusing on the silver bits only. Again, metal scourer and the pink stuff. Okay, gonna give it a quick rinse. Okay, you can see it looking a lot better already. We're just trying to focus on the silvery bits. Okay, look at that. It's a lot better than what it looked like before, so I'm quite pleased with that. On to the next pot, which is this one. This one's very visible. Sorry. Pink stuff. Please give this video a thumbs up if you are enjoying the video and this type of content, and let me know in the comment section below if you have already started your spring cleaning. Okay, rinse. Okay, gonna repeat it again. almost brand new looking, isn't it? Yep, better than what it looked like. The frying pan looks like now. I just mainly wanted to focus on the rims and the edges of it because I thought they were just a bit too much and too dark for my liking. And then this is the second pot that we did, and this one again, I just wanted to mainly focus on, you know, restoring the color back. Last but not least, the last pot that we did together. Look at that. It looks completely different. It looks almost brand new. I'm really happy with that. So that's it from me, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Look forward to some more spring cleaning motivation videos that are going to be coming in the upcoming weeks. So yeah, that's it from me, and thank you so much for watching and enjoying the journey of turning my pots from the way that they looked to this. So I'll see you on the next one. You have a lovely day. Bye.